I'm Raymond Rodriguez, and I was previously a professor of molecular and cellular biology. I'm originally from Kerman, California. I knew I was destined for some kind of career in science. The values that I held came from some of those professors there at Fresno State. I did have this love affair with DNA, and he had a Life magazine, and on the cover was a picture of a DNA helix, and it was talking about the genetic code has been broken. After I read that article, I was never the same, and my instincts told me it was at the center of everything. Whether it was plants, animals, microbes, DNA is at the center of everything. I'm not an expert in veterinary medicine or even human medicine. I know how to make a vaccine. So I spent the last 10 years working with that group to develop a vaccine manufacturing capacity in Bangladesh. They don't have that. We're now in the stages of building a vaccine manufacturing facility. We'll focus on one animal vaccine and the penta vaccines for childhood vaccinations, and so far it's going really well. And 10 years ago I decided that a lot of the things that I've learned in science and technology can actually help in the simplest ways in the developing world, where there's practically very little health care, and they suffer from many what they call neglected tropical diseases, a lot of childhood diseases that you and I would get a vaccination for, the pentavirus against diphtheria and so on, pertussis. They have none of those. So the population, if they survive to 2 or 3 years old, will then suffer another series of infectious diseases like malaria and rabies. I would give them the same advice that I've given many of my students, and it's very simple. Get in, get out, and take as much knowledge and experience as you can with you. Universities like Fresno State have tremendous amounts to offer students, and sometimes we just nibble at the edges. Just grab as much knowledge as you can, interact with as many people as you can, have as many experiences as you can, and then get out and move on.